my dear lovely kids. How are you all? Must be enjoying at home. Students, have you watched the first part of this blog? Places that help us? Very good. Now, let's start the second video. In this video, you are going to assess the importance of banks and examine the role of a post office in our lives. Okay, students? See, look at this picture. What can we use these for? Do we need to keep it safe? And why? Students, this is money. We use money for everything we need, like buying food, clothes, and many other things. People work very hard to earn money. Money needs to be kept safe so it is not lost or stolen. Yes, students, today you are going to learn how can we keep our valuable things like money safe at a bank. Okay, have you ever visited a bank with an adult? How do banks help us? What if there were no banks? Students, we may have been to the bank with our parents. Banks are places where we can keep all our valuable and money safe. We can visit the bank to take money out and when we need it. If banks did not exist, then we would have to keep our valuables at home and have the risk of them getting lost or stolen. Okay, students? Now, do you know banks do have some risk of being robbed? Most banks have a good security to protect it. There are security guards, CCTV cameras, and alarm systems at the banks. Therefore, our money and other valuable things are safe at bank. Okay, students? So, this is all about the bank. Now, let's learn one more important place, that is post office. Okay? Students, did any of you write a letter to someone in your family? Did you watch how they felt when they read letter? Would any of you like to share the experience? Students, letters are a way to write a message for someone. We write letters to express our love for someone or invite someone for a party or wedding. There can be many other reasons for writing letters. Today we will learn about the importance of post office. Okay? Now, see here, some of the letters are given. What were the letters about? How important are the letters? Why do people write letters? How could happen if the people did not get these letters? How do you think people received these letters? Students, in these letters, the first letter from wedding invitation, yes. Another letter was from a son to his mother asking for money to pay his fees. The third letter is from a mother. A mother wrote a letter to her son asking him to come and see his father. Okay? Yes, students, all these letters were important for the people who wrote them and for those who received them. If the people did not receive the letters, then the son would not go to meet his sick father. The mother would not send the money to her son and the friends would not attend the wedding. The post office sent all three letters. Yes? Have you ever been to a post office? What happens in a post office? How does it help us? Who is the main person in the post office? Students, some of you have been to a post office. Post office is a place through which We can send and receive many letters every day. The postmaster is the main person there. He knows everything about posting letters. At the post office, the postmaster checks if the envelope has the address of the receiver. Then we buy stamps to put them on envelope. The money we pay to buy the stamps helps to pay the people working at the post office. Post offices help us to stay connected to our friends and families. Okay, students? Now, again I have a question for you to think about it. Do we need post offices nowadays? Why and why not? What is your answer? Students, these days we send messages by email, mobile messenger, and also by post and by courier services. However, not all people have emails. We can't send big messages by phone SMS, and courier services are expensive. Most people still use the post office to send letters to people in India and to other countries. Okay, so that was all about the bank and the post offices. Now let's read this topic from our book. Keeping money safe. We keep our money safe in a bank. Money is very useful to us. Sometimes you get pocket money or money as a gift from someone. You try to keep it safe so that you can use the money when you need it. Some children use a money bank to keep their money safe. Yes, students, banks are places where we can keep our money safe. Banks have security guards, CCTV cameras, and alarms that protect them from robbers. Most banks have a machine called the ATM. Have you seen the ATM? What is the full form of ATM? Automatic Transmission Machine. Whenever we need money, we can take money out from the machines. Okay? Even when the bank is closed. Students, banks also have lockers where we can keep our jewelry and important papers. Okay? What is about the post office? Post office are the place from where we can send letters or gift to anyone anywhere in the world. India has the maximum number of post office in the world. If we want our letters to reach faster, we can use speed post service to the post office. We can also send money to anyone using money order services. Yes, students, we not only send the letters or parcels to others, we can also send the money with the help of the post office. Okay? We need to pay for the postal service by buying the stamps. We need to put stamps on our letters. When we buy a stamp, the money helps the post office to hire people to deliver our letters. Okay, students, I hope this topic is pretty clear to all of you. As I told you, this chapter is only for the oral assessment, so there is no volume work in this chapter. But still you have a homework, and what is your homework? Read page number 42 and 43 from your content book. Okay, students? And if you have any doubt, then call me or message me. Thank you and have a nice day.